Good day guys and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to cancel CapCut subscription on PC. So guys, also make sure to understand that not in every country the Pro subscription even is available. So in some countries it's just not available and the only way to use the app is with the free version. So this is actually my case. So in my country it's not available. But in general you will be able to purchase Pro easily if you're from one of the supported countries. And after you have the subscription, maybe you changed your mind or not satisfied with the service, you just go into your CapCut and then you go into your profile picture in here, and then you go into the settings, and in here, in my case, the tab will be missing, but in your case, you will have a Pro tab. So the premium service and version of this app is called Pro. So you just press on Pro, go into the settings, and then deactivate the subscription from there. It's pretty simple. And also, if you go to the homepage, as you can see where I have my spaces, you will have pretty much a Pro next to your name, next to your username. So you can also press on it and manage it from there. And this is how you deactivate your subscription, guys. Enjoy. If this helped you out, like and subscribe. See you next time.